guys, today I'm doing a tutorial on this makeup look and I'm so stoked because this is literally one of my favorite looks. It's super quick, it's so easy, and I've been wearing it so much recently. It's actually a look that I used to wear a lot, and I literally sound like I'm just repeating myself because in my last makeup tutorial that I posted, I mentioned that it was a look that I used to wear in high school and I was like doing it again, and this has been a look that I used to wear so much back in the day, and I've been bringing it back. I've been wearing it a lot lately. I feel like I'm just kind of like on this kick of doing looks that I did at one point in my life, doing them again, if that makes any sense. Another reason why I'm super stoked is because a lot of you guys have been asking me, like on Instagram and other social media, to film a tutorial on this, and I was pushing it off for a little while because I was like, this look is so simple, like, do I want to film the tutorial? But then I was like, yes, I want to film it because I want you guys to like know how to do it. That's really all I gotta say right now. So if you want to know how I got this look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. So to start off this look, I already went ahead and did my brows and my foundation off camera just to save some time. I'll leave a link to those in my description box if you guys want to check out how I got this base. I'm gonna just go ahead and start working on my eyeshadow. Okay, let's do it. I'm gonna be taking MAC's Uninterrupted eyeshadow and just be putting this all over my lid and into my crease. If I can find a brush, that would be great. In case anybody is wondering, or in case you don't know, the eyeshadow brush that I use in pretty much every tutorial for every look is the Anastasia brush that comes in the eyeshadow palettes. I literally use it for every look. I'm pretty sure I've done a tutorial almost identical to what I'm gonna be doing today. I don't know if I have or haven't, but if I did, it was a little while ago. This has been one of my go-to looks for a while, but you guys have been asking me non-stop on Instagram to do a tutorial on this look, so I'm just doing it for you guys. I'm gonna take a little bit of this with the same brush and apply it underneath my lower lash line, like, you know, right here. I like to smoke it out a lot. Kind of covers up my bags under my eyes a bit. Maybe it emphasizes them, I don't know. This is such a simple look. It literally takes me 10 minutes to do this eye look. And the only reason why it takes me 10 minutes is because I wear fake lashes. And that's the longest part. Next, I'm gonna take this orange shade, the one in the middle, the top middle, from the Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsessions palette, and I'm just gonna dust a little bit of this orange, a little bit of this. I love warm orangey shades on myself, so this just adds a nice little balance, and I do take a little bit under my lower lash line as well. So that's gonna be it for eyeshadow. You could add a little pop of like a white or off-white or neutral skin tone shade in your inner corners if you want to add a little brightness, but I like to keep this look kind of grungy, so I'm not going to do that. I am going to take this Real Techniques stippling brush. This is really old. I used to do this technique all the time when I was in like high school and when I was a little bit younger a few years ago, and I kind of forgot about it, but recently I've been doing it again. I just use this brush to kind of like clean up underneath, even though I don't really get fallout, it just makes me feel better about myself. And then I use the edge of the brush to clean up the edge of the shadow, and it just, I don't know, I feel like it evens out the shape of my eyeshadow and gives me like a cat eye look. It brings my eyes upwards and I like it, so I've been doing that again lately. Now I'm going to move on to lashes, and this is what really ties this look together, except these are new lashes, and I hate wearing new lashes for the first time because they don't fit my eyes perfectly and they kind of feel uncomfortable to me. I have to like kind of break in my lashes a few times for them to fit my eye perfectly. The lashes that I've been wearing so much, you guys always ask me what they are. They're from Tarte and they're in the style called Goddess. This is what they look like. I hope that you can see them. And yeah, love them. I don't really like wearing these lashes with eyeliner. These are like my go-to lashes when I just have on eyeshadow. Mainly because I don't feel like they're winged enough and they're not like that cat eye type of feel, so I don't really think they look the best with eyeliner, but with outliner they are poppin'. So So the last thing I'm going to do for my eyes, I don't do this every time that I'm just wearing lashes. I do this every time I wear eyeliner, but I only do this when I wear lashes when I feel like you can see a lot of like my upper waterline, whatever that's called, like this part. So I'm going to tight line because if you guys can see right now, you can just see a lot of my skin right here, and I want it to be dark and it'll make the lashes look thicker. This is just a dark brown pencil from Lancome. I'll show you guys the difference when I finish this eye. So I don't know if you guys can see much of a difference, but in person you definitely can. Last thing I'm going to do is just my lips, and like always, I feel like lately I've been using this lip gloss so much. It's the Buxom lip gloss in the shade Blushing Margarita. You guys know I've been on a lip gloss kick and I'm not upset about it. I love the way this makes my lips look and feel. I love it. It's such a pretty color too. So yeah, that's gonna be it for makeup. One thing I want to say, my highlight that I'm wearing, I think I said this in my last makeup tutorial, it's what I've been wearing non-stop for highlight. It's my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Gold Deposit. It's so bomb, so in case you were wondering, that's what's on my cheeks. But yeah, that's gonna be it for the makeup. I'm feeling so good because I've said this a few times recently that I wanted to get back into filming more makeup tutorials, and I'm so excited because I feel so much motivation to film makeup videos again. Whenever I had said that in the past, it was something I wanted to do, but I wasn't really feeling motivated because I wasn't wearing makeup as much and I wasn't even playing around with it. So I didn't really have that motivation to film makeup videos, but I got that rush of whatever to play around with makeup again and to start wearing it again. So these videos are coming so naturally and it's feeling really awesome. Back when I started my channel, that's all I would film was makeup tutorials. So I'm really stoked because I plan on putting out way more makeup videos for you guys. I hope that you guys liked this video. I hope you liked this look. If you do recreate this look or any of my other looks, send me a photo on Instagram, on Twitter, whatever you want. I'll link all my social media down in my description so you guys can check me out on there too. If you did like it, please thumbs up this video and please subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And yeah, I hope that you guys have a great day and I'll talk to you later. Bye.